I needed to replace the shifters on an old mountain bike and found this great deal on Amazon. Once I installed them, I noticed my braking power was gone. I looked into the manual for the model number and found there was supposed to be an adjustable setting for the cantilever brakes, but my set did not have this adjustment. This video shows how I modified the ST-EF51 to run cantilever brakes. This diagram gave me an estimate of where I needed to drill a new hole for the cable clip. Secure the lever with a cable tie or some other method to keep it stable while marking and drilling. Drill out the compression side of the rivet just enough to remove the rivet. I measured 1/2 of an inch from the original hole center to mark the new hole position. Then I used another cable tie to hold the shifter lever out of the way so the drill bit would not hit it. Drill the new hole. Keep the drill bit perpendicular to the lever surface. I'm drilling on top of a cardboard box to allow the drill bit to pass through without damaging anything important. Position the cable clip slot side down. Make sure the clip is snug against the lever, as any spreading will cause rubbing while braking. Drop the rivet through from the top. Remove the cable ties and make sure the lever moves freely without any rubbing. Install the brake cable and finish installing your cantilever compatible brakes. That's it.